Hello everyone. Let's learn some colors and shapes. Light pink color, red color, orange color, blue color, maroon color, dark pink color, yellow color, black color, pink color, dark green color, brown color, sky blue color, green color, light orange color, purple color, black color. Let's draw the shape. Heptagon. Circle. Trefoil. Vertical rectangle. Triangle. Square. Pink color. Heptagon. Heptagon. Green color. Circle. Red color. Trefoil. Trefoil. Orange color. Vertical rectangle. Light yellow color. Triangle. Light yellow color. Purple color. Square. Square. Purple color. Light pink color. Green color. Red color. Orange color. Light yellow color. Purple color. Heptagon. Circle. Trefoil. Vertical rectangle. Triangle. Square. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. Bye.